so, depending on how you're doing, we can head back. Or we can,
I think if we keep going this way, just follow it, loop it back. We're not
yeah,
going to go down in the ravine. But, is this fine? Okay. We're about a third of the route. Look at that. Go down, Mr. Tour Guide. We're practicing because as EAB ambassadors, we're supposed to have all this information.
Yeah, so the course that Holly went on yesterday was 5-hour course with Leaf on how to become an EAB ambassador. They're sort of trying this sort of cascading outward way of...
What does it stand for? What is EAB?
Emerald ash borer. That's the actual beetle that came from Asia.
Oh, okay.
It was first detected in North America in 2002, and it's been spreading ever since. And it's sort of kind of like what happened with Dutch elm. Dutch elm was also spread by an insect, but it wasn't the insect itself that did the damage, it was a fungus that the insect spread. And basically it killed virtually all of the Dutch elm. So part of the problem, I mean, there's actually a lesson here about biodiversity. Part of the problem with the ash trees is that in the wild, first of all, they'd be a bit more spread out, and there'd be more genetic diversity from individual to individual. When the city plants trees, which they've done with all kinds of trees, and they're still doing this today, they tend to plant a whole bunch of trees from the same sort of genetic stock. So all the trees are vulnerable in the same way, or resistant in the same way, as the case may be, but usually it winds up being a case of vulnerability. So if there's something that's going to take out one individual, there's a very high probability it's going to take out all the individuals from the same genetic. That's why diversity is very important, and as human beings, when we try to plant and do stuff like that, or raise Holstein cows, or raise swine, we tend to focus on those single individual species, and as a result, when something goes wrong, like there was a corn blight, for example, in the 70s, that almost just completely wiped out corn in North America because everybody was planting exactly the same variety. We'll step over this and watch you don't trip. Again, it's actually a good spot here to sort of see what's going on with the erosion, and how the edge kind of sticks out a bit over the actual bluffs, and why it's going to be careful.
Yeah.